This vegetable chopper has 4 interchangeable blades to assist you in cutting veggies in different shapes. It has a built-in draining basket, and the slicers are made of rust-proof stainless steel. It comes with a slicing blade, a flour blade, a 3mm and 4mm blade, and it can be used as a storage container to store your fruits and vegetables.
We bring you one of the best and cheap gadgets, and if you want to buy this product you can comment, "I want this gadgets," we will contact you, and like, and share our videos, and you follow me more information. We bring you one of the best and cheap gadgets, and if you want to buy this product you can comment, "I want this gadgets," we will contact you, and like, and share.
This product is available here. Click now.
If you spend a lot of time camping or outdoors, let me show you how to have running water anywhere on the go. First, you get a bucket and then you fill it up with some water. Get one of these, it's a portable shower head. I'll link it right here in the video below. Drop it in the water, a river, lake, and that's how you have running water, guys, anywhere. Stay a little bit more cleaner on the road, okay? It's also rechargeable, has 3 different modes, and you can stop the water from coming in. No, how long that cell's gonna last? We'll pick them up today.
These kitchen cabinets have gotten so much built up grease from over the years. I couldn't find a good product to remove this stuck on grease until now. Would you look at this? Amazing results. Just amazing. I love the way it came out. It's so nice. If you don't get anything from off of the TikTok shop, you need to run and go get heavy oil stain cleaner. This stuff works like magic. It removed the stuck on grease with no heavy scrubbing, so you don't have to hurt your wrist in the process. I left the link down below for you. Go and get it before it's gone.